How to make a Twitter account. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to make a Twitter account. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to Twitter, and from there just click on this icon right here, and you should be able to see here the three dots up here. Then click on create new account, and it's a load. So you can just click on continue with Google or just create a new account. So for me, I will create new account from here. So I will use this language. So in here, just put in your name. So for example, this is my name, and then put it an email. So example, I will use this email, and then choose a date of birth. So click on next. And then you can just actually untick this and click on next and click on sign up, and then this will load for a while. So you need to authenticate your account, so click on this and you can just answer this CAPTCHA. So for now, let's answer this CAPTCHA. So now that we've proven that we are human, they will send a code to our Gmail account. So let's head over to our Gmail account from there. And then as you can see, this is the code that they sent me. So I just need to input that. Click on next. Then I just need to set in the password. Then after that, I just need to click on next again. And then I can pick a profile picture, but for now I will skip that. So in here you can put in your username. You can see some suggestions right here that you can choose from, but you can also type in something that you want. After that, click on next. And then click on continue. And then this will load for a while. So just choose what you want to see in your Twitter and click on next again. Click on next. And after that, just follow one account that you want and click on next. And then as you can see right now, we have successfully created a new Twitter account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make a Twitter account. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.